Now we have talked so much about Newman, but what is Newman anyway? And to put it very simple, Newman is just a CLI tool which allows you to run a Postman collection directly from the command line, directly from the terminal. And for your own machine, this isn't a particular advantage, but think again in the direction of continuous integration and automation. You cannot automate Postman as a tool itself. It always needs manual interaction. But for systems like Jenkins, we need this tool in between that can understand the Postman collection, can run the tests that are inside it, and can give us information if everything was inside there is working as we expect. And this is why this is the gap that Newman fills in, and it offers us this possibility. Now, in order to install Newman on your own machine, you need to have two things installed already. So you need to have installed Node.js and NPM, that is the Node Package Manager. What Node.js offers you is this runtime environment where Newman can run. And if you do not have them installed in your machine, you will not be able to use Newman. And I will be posting in the description in this video links to tutorials that explain how you can install Node.js, NPM on Windows, on macOS, or on Linux. This is not part of this tutorial because it's some different from system to system. And if you already have done some work using Node.js or NPM in the past, you may already have them installed on your own machine. So I will start with the assumption that you have managed to install Node.js and NPM. So let's now open a terminal and find out if you have Node.js and NPM properly installed. So I open the terminal and I'm gonna type in node --version. And this is the version from Node that I have installed. It's probably not the newest one. I always suggest that you have a recent version, but for me this will be fine at this point. And I will also check if I have NPM installed. That is npm --version. And npm is installed as well. Okay, now that we made sure that we have Node.js and npm installed on our machine, let's go ahead and install Newman. And this is the command that we need to type in. So we'll be using npm, the Node Package Manager, to install a new dependency. And that flag -g tells the command to install Newman globally. So anywhere you open a terminal on your machine, you will have Newman available, and this is probably what you want to do. So let's go back to the terminal again and install Newman. Okay, so everything seems to work properly. I even get this message that my npm is not up to date. I don't have the latest version, but that's totally fine. I managed to install successfully Newman, but just to make sure that it works, I will type in Newman --version. And now what the command line will return is the current version of Newman that I have installed.